Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalaim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The past pupils of the 1997 promotion of the Salesian Institute, Don Bosco of Egmore in the province of India, Chennai, INDM, who have always been united when it comes to supporting solidarity causes, have recently found themselves involved in a new enterprise to help continue the studies for girls who otherwise, due to pandemic and its social consequences, would have been forced to leave school. And with their initiative, Mint Sira Google Digital Wings, they have already benefited with laptops 50 girls at risk. The project involves the computers being donated to schools, which in turn distribute them to female students identified as needy. And when they have completed the school year, the computers will return to the school to benefit other students of the 10th class, and the same thing will be repeated in the following year in a virtuous circle that multiplies the good done. On Friday, July 23rd, the Salesian Institute, Ateliers Don Bosco, and the National Institute for the Social Inclusion of Adolescents, I&ISA, signed an agreement for adolescents deprived of freedom who are about to leave I&ISA so that they can follow a professionalizing course in mechanics at the Salesian Institute. Among those who were at the ceremony of signing the agreement, it is worth noting the presence of various Salesians and educators of the school, the president of I&ISA, Dr. Rosana de Oliveira Mendes, and the Director Andrea Venosa, officials of the Institute, and the Director General of the Financial Enterprise Union Capital AFAP, Maria Dolores Benavente. In Sumba, a predominantly Christian island in the largest Muslim country in the world, Indonesia, the Salesian presence is now 20 years old. The community, led by Father I.D. Prinando Laurentius, animates the aspirant, the pre-novitiate, a vocational training center, and a secondary technical school with internship. Without forgetting that in Sumba there are also two communities of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, the first group of the Association of Mary Help of Christians, ADMA, and also the first organized center of past pupils of Don Bosco in the country. In this context of Salesian flowering, new interesting initiatives are noted, such as the expansion of the structures for the technical school and the apostolate among young people to motivate them to care for creation. Even in times of pandemic, the Social Promotion Association, TGS Euro Group, promoted by the Salesians of Don Bosco, proposes a series of associative activities aimed at students, volunteers and families united by the desire to present a quality educational proposal on the local territory with a look even beyond the border. Last July 10, the Salesian Senapati Ioane was ordained a priest by the Archbishop of Samoa Apia, Monsignor Alapati Louis Matialiga. During the homily celebrated in the parish of St. Joseph the Worker, Monsignor Alapati reminded all those present that the call to the priesthood is a call to holiness. On Saturday, July 24th, in the church San Giovanni Bosco in Altamira, Caracas, the Salesian Leonardo Martinez was ordained a deacon for the laying on of hands and the prayer of consecration of Monsignor Raul Biot Castolo, SDB, Bishop of La Guaida. The ceremony was concelebrated by Father Rafael Montenegro, Superior of the Salesian province of Venezuela. During the year, several activities were held in the Salesian House, Don Bosco in Rawson, to celebrate the 80th anniversary of the Salesian Regional Museum. Starting in May, children and animators from the Gregory the Great district of Rawson visited the museum. Exhibitions were made, and finally last June 25th, a special exhibition called The City Celebrates the Museum was inaugurated, in which all the oldest and most prestigious institutions of Rawson participated. Now the celebrations come to an end, and for the occasion, the City Council has declared the museum a historical and cultural heritage of the city, recognizing the importance that Salesian work has had for the city. The pilgrimage on foot from the Polish city of Suwalki to Vilnius, Lithuania, which involved a large number of pilgrims, ended on 24th July after 9 days of walking. At the end of the pilgrimage, Mass was celebrated, presided over by Archbishop Stanislaw Garecki, President of the Polish Bishops' Conference, Monsignor Sergiy Mazur, Bishop of Elk, and Father Tadeusz Zarecki, Superior of the Salesian province of Warsaw. Their good wishes to Pope Francis during the recent period of hospitalization at Gemelli were among the most touching and affectionate. In a video, they sang their closeness and encouragement to him, assuring him, "For us, you are always a great friend and we want to be with you soon." They are the 185 children from 5 to 13 years old who, divided by age groups into 3 groups for a period of 6 weeks, participate until July 30th in the Summer Boys in the Vatican. In this interview, Father Franco Fontana, SDB chaplain of the Pontifical Gendarmerie and director of the Salesian community in the Vatican, explains the meaning of the initiative, which between games and recreational moments tries to transmit to the little ones some positive messages, in particular a radical no to racism and an invitation to respect and care for creation. As usual, the Summer Boys was proposed by the Governorate of Vatican City State and organized by the Salesian community together with the associations Tutto, Int, Ant a Festa and Play It. The long-awaited second Congress of the Association of Mary Help of Christians (ADMA) in the Asia East Oceania region is approaching. Scheduled in digital mode for 11th and 12th September, it was the subject of a first general preparatory meeting on Sunday, 18 July, which was attended by 30 members of the enlarged steering committee. Today, ADMA is present in large numbers in 3 provinces of the region, the 2 in the Philippines and in East Timor, with almost 80 local groups. Another 11 local ADMA groups, however, have recently arisen, 1 in Hong Kong, 2 in South Korea, Seoul and Gwangju, 1 in Thailand, in Bangkok, 2 in Vietnam, in Troy Gao and Ho Chi Minh City, 2 in Indonesia, in Sumba and Jakarta, 2 in Papua New Guinea, both in Port Moresby, and 1 in Japan, in Tokyo. In a gesture of compassion, the staff and the Salesian community of Sacred Heart College, Tirupattur, donated Rs 10 lakhs towards the welfare and education of 4 girls who lost their parents to COVID-19 pandemic. Prathika 8, Lakshana 6 and Kirtika 5 lost their father, Siva Kumar, who was working as administrative staff, while Pranavi 8 lost her mother, Kalayarasi, who was working as assistant professor. The college, in addition to the financial aid, issued an appointment order to Shivakumar's wife Ranjitha as a lab assistant. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.